How to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. Okay, so if you've ever seen the invalid parameter error on Instagram, it's typically when something goes wrong with the app's functionality, like when you're trying to log in, post a photo, or perform some action on the app. But the good news is it's fixable. So let's go through the steps to get you back to using Instagram like user. The first thing you should do when you encounter this error is restart the Instagram app. Sometimes the error is just a temporary glitch, so close the app completely by swiping it away from your recent app, then reopen it again. Sometimes a simple restart can solve a lot of app issues, but if the error persists, let's try something else. If you're using an Android phone, clearing the app's cache can help resolve this issue. Go to your phone settings, then tap Apps, find and select Instagram, and tap on Stories. Now click Clear Cache. This won't delete your data, just temporary files, which could be causing the error. Once the cache is cleared, reopen Instagram and check if the error is fixed. If the clearing cache didn't help, the next step is to simply delete the app and download it again. After reinstalling, open the app and log in and see if the error is gone. A weak or unstable internet connection can also trigger errors like this one. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi Fi network or a strong mobile data signal. Try simply switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. And that's it. Those are some simple ways to simply fix the Instagram invalid parameter error.